Hello again, Saberfont. This is E-Rock coming back at you. It's been a long time. Anyway, this font here is a month overdue. So yeah, I guess I could have been coming to you sooner, but it's kind of cool that I'm coming to you now. As before I begin the review, I would just like to say thank you very much to Ultra, who on the forum has promoted me to Knight of the Obsidian Order. I'm very humbled by this, and I thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I know titles are just honorary, but I do appreciate it all the same, and it means very much to me. Thank you. So, the next one that I'm going to review for you tonight is our very own BenPass's Legend of Zelda. Okay, guys. Wow. Okay. Cool font set to begin with, as not only is it suited for the Obsidian, it's also suited for other soundboards out there too. So you get your choice with this one. Put it on any Saber you want or own. But for us here in the Obsidian Order, we'll just concentrate on those ones, which are the same anyway. And they fit nicely on the Obsidian. There are a whole bunch of blaster sounds, which are various noises from the game. Pretty cool. Couple of boot sounds. And it has, I believe, six swings, 3 clashes, a lockup, really good one, I'll show you. And it has a really neat power up and power down. So, wait till you hear the hum though. So, this is my Guardian in Guardian Blue. And this is BenPass's Legend of Zelda. Those are some swings. We've got some clashes. And the lockup, if you will. And then wicked power down. So, just once through the font set again. Thank you very much, BenPass, for this amazing font. You gotta try this one at least once, guys. This one is, okay, it's not a lightsaber font, but put it on one of these bad boys and just see what you think. Anyways, this is E-Rock signing off. Thank you again for watching. Happy sabering. May the Force be with you. I'm back, fellas.